Okay, so on this side real quick, I'm gonna just show y'all how you use the razor comb. Now this is the easier method if you absolutely have no cutting skills at all. You want to take your pieces like this. This is the razor comb. You should be able to find this at any beauty supply store. And what you basically just want to do is so you see how that looks? So it's going to be the same concept, but you're going to keep constantly moving. Now, if you don't keep constantly moving, you can end up with a whole short section. So you just take that down, that razor down, and just blend it out. Now, when I do this, I usually just do it kind of fast, but I'm trying to make sure that I don't get none of my hair involved. But so with this razor comb, you can just kind of just like comb it downwards and it'll do the work for you, as long as you're keeping it moving. Don't stop anywhere until you get to your destination with a razor comb, because you will end up with a bob. So this is definitely a much faster way of blending. So see how it doesn't have that big giant hack in there anymore, where it was like down in here. That big section that was missing. So now what I'm just going to do is basically kind of like the same thing I did on the other side, but just pull it out. Look at it. See where I want. I think I want to start with my cutting right in this area. So I'm just going to take it straight on down. And that's really basically the gist of blending or doing layers yourself. After you get to a feasible cut, you move on, of course, to the next section. Now that I'm getting a little bit closer to where I want it to be, I'm just going to grip this all up. Because that loves me a good layer. because my hair actually just naturally grows layered. So I'm going to cut my fronts with the razor as well. And what that's going to do is just make it flow and lay a little bit better in the front. And I'm going to do that with the razor. And we just going to go wop, 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 wop. Right. All right, now this side I didn't cut as much into as I did with this side with the blending. So I'm gonna finish this side and then I'm gonna come back